Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and add another user on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course your MacBook, open it, and this is what you'll have in front of you, a lot of icons. But now what you need to do is to go and click on settings. So to click on settings, you can go and of course find the gear icon on your MacBook, or you can click F4, and then when you click F4, type in settings there, and here it is. So here will pop out. You can then click on it, and the settings will get on your screen like this. Now on the left side of the settings, as you can see, we have a lot of things going on. We have the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, etc. But what we actually need is to go to bottom here and click on users and groups. Now, when you click on users and groups, here we have, as you can see, the main user, the admin. We have guests. If it's off, it is off, as you can see for me. If it's on, it's on. Automatically log in, as you can, of course, put the preference, network account server, and we have add a user, add a group, where you can actually go and add another user. So click on add a user, and then, of course, you need to go and put in your password and everything to unlock your MacBook so that they know, of course, this is the right person on the account, and then you can just go and add a new user, set it up, and then you have two users. So when you log in, you have to select which user you're going to log in to. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.